What's up, everybody? I'm Jesse.
And I'm Stacie, and today we're going to install underglow on the Transmero.
Ever since I was a young kid watching the Fast and the Furious movies, I was just mesmerized by underglow. It was a really big thing back then. It made your car stand out at the night scene. It's just always been really cool. When building Transmero 2.0, the retro version here, I thought what better than to reach out to the OG's street glow to get us set up on the underglow that we need for the Transmero. Originally, I wanted to do the old neon tubes, the Gold Series stuff like that you used to do back in the day, but with the ground clearance being very minimal on this car, I didn't want anything hanging off of it. So I went ahead and opted for the LED strips. Got a single wire, basic setup. It's got their wild kit, 12 pieces, different lengths. It's got a harness, switch, and hooks to the battery. Real simple stuff, real easy. I mean, the instructions are only the front side of one page, right? I mean, a monkey could do this in his garage, hopefully. We're gonna find out.
We're going to find out because I'm going to be helping.
Yeah, we're gonna have 1.5 monkeys here. They do have this in a multicolor, you know, crazy controller thing, but I didn't want to have any RF interference or anything with the electronics that we already have in the car. Wanted to keep it simple, just wire it up and make it go. So I'm gonna modify our harness because we already have a switch panel in the car that's set up to run the neons. We planned ahead for this. So I just cut the relay out and all that stuff, and we got our own switch panel in the car. So it's got 3M tape, some alcohol swabs. We're gonna wipe this thing down. It's got fresh paint on the car, so it should stick really well. We're gonna find out if this 3M tape is 200 mile an hour approved. We're gonna test these bad boys out and see what we come up with here. So it looks blue until it shines, and then it's purple.
Yeah. I love it. It's perfect.
Good. Okay. So it's pretty bright.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try putting the 48s here. That's where I'm gonna start, I think. We'll get some alcohol swabs. We'll wipe the frame rail down. I wanna put them on the frame rail, I think. At least we'll mask one, tape one up and just see how it shines and make sure it gets out far enough, okay? I have the first one temporarily mounted. I got a couple screws in the end, so we'll put clamps along the edge. I don't think we're gonna rely on the tape as much as I thought because we got some just awkward surfaces, but I think that's gonna
Try to get underneath her shoe.
it's gonna give us the effect we're after there. One down, 11 more to go.
11.
Yeah.
Here's where we're at in the front.
No.
Is it further forward?
Yeah, I was right at the end of this too.
This leaves this one hanging over though.
Over what?
If it's tight, it's like an inch over the frame.
Weird. Okay, I can come back a little bit. How about that?
That's, yeah, I mean right here it's on. So.
Okay. That's not gonna work.
You need the bigger shears.
These shoes are not gonna.
They're too little.
No, just. They're not meant for American steel.
They're not meant for 2,000 horsepower.
Well, I know about that. All right. Try this again.
Take two. That's hard laying down. Oh my god.
Oh, the battery died.
Oh no. Maybe it wasn't me then.
Well, yeah, I heard it slowing down. Oh.
It's starting to make a hole.
Well, that's good. That's part of the job.
I got metal in my mouth.
That's even better. God, I got freshly
Yuck.
battery over here for you.
Note to self, close your mouth.
Wow. You could use a lot of that in your life, Stacie.
Shut up. Okay, are you good?
I'm good.
Okay, ready?
Go for it.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit.
It was 1000% the battery. And then the battery fell out. Okay.
All right. The only thing is on the back ones, we might actually have to clamp it as we go because we're gonna try and make the bend.
Oh yeah, the bends.
It's off of, and it'll point out.
And then go to the here. Is that your plan?
No, we're gonna bend.
Oh, it's gonna have to go way back.
Yeah.
Like back onto here, or that's gonna shine it out.
No, go on the inside where it points out.
We don't have the
There
same
you go.
thing.
Yeah, right there.
So you're gonna be going in then.
That's it, kind of what we've got.
No, I mean like into the inside of this.
Yeah. So, that one. So this is plastic, so just go slow with the drill. Don't send it home.
No, I was trying to push because.
That's what I'm gonna do. 'Cause they hold pretty tight, so you're really gonna tug on it.
You hold it tight.
Okay.
Is that too close to the edge?
I'm like right in the middle of that piece.
About right here.
The light should be right up on the edge. Yep. Oh, let's strip it out. Perfect. Alright, so I'm gonna get one more. Actually, I'm gonna get two more.
Let me go.
Out of the bucket. What I'm gonna do now, just to check our coverage, is I'm gonna power the three up that we have, and make sure that we're getting a full luminescent orb underneath the car. I think that's the right terminology. It sounds good.
Sounds insane.
Ready?
Ready.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it looks so good. Let me get all the way around it. So cool.
Cool. We're doing good.
Mm-hmm.
Doing good. Right? So those are kind of temporarily kind of where we think those might go, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now,
The adhesive should work there, huh?
yeah.
Where's your power probe? Is that what you're looking for?
I got it right here. No, I was trying to figure out a way to
Make it dark in here?
no, power it up to where I can walk over there. And
Oh. Well, I can hold it if you'd like.
Tell me what you think.
Oh yeah, that's really cool, Jesse. With the boost pipes.
Yeah, I was gonna say there should be just enough.
Here, light it up again. Oh yeah. That's fucking cool.
Alright, come here. I think you got nails.
Miss my nails.
Alright, so you're gonna try and center it and go way up down closest to the pipe.
Okay, you want to get in there? Maybe come over here.
I got you.
As close as I can to the bar. Like, do you want me to get in there?
Let me come around and see.
You want it in there more? Or out more so that it's not...
Yeah, like yeah,
right here?
Yep, exactly.
Is that centered?
Yeah, it looks pretty close.
Is that good?
Yeah, try it.
We didn't clean the...
Well, that's pretty clean.
Okay. Okay.
One down.
4 million to go.
4 million?
Just kidding.
Is there a way to zoom this other one out?
No, it's all the way out.
Is it really?
You want this down?
Yes. Come up a little bit more.
Just trying to get in between.
Yeah. No, I mean up, like towards you.
More? That's about where we put the other one.
Yeah, like that.
There's good?
Yeah. I can say your phone videos is way better than this camera.
I know.
I got it all hooked up, I think, except for the one we're gonna put in the back. But let's see what the engine bay looks like.
That looks so cool. Like everything's lit up. It really looks cool on camera.
That's all that really matters, as long as it looks good on camera, Stacie.
Right? That looks so cool.
All right, test successful. Now we're gonna move on to the inside of the car.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Okay, so I think what we should do is for what do we got here? What we got left? We got 136. We got 36 on the car, right? And we got some 24s, 3 24s.
We still got the front bumper to do, but that one's laying on that.
The front bumper, I think we're gonna use try and use the 72 on.
Okay.
So we only have one cable.
Okay.
So I think the 24s. I think what I want to do is I want to put one of these across that dash bar, so when we're working on it, at least we'll have a light.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Or something.
All right, so we're gonna go on that back side, right? You can go right here. Okay. So I want to be.
We need to wipe this off.
No, we're all right. I already wiped it.
Okay.
Right. Let me stick mine first.
You're further that way.
Okay. Well, yeah, but I need more light this way.
Okay, I see. I'm just gonna hold it while you stick. And then I can
Kind of snake it back forward. There you go. We came, we saw, we lit the bitch up. I can't be any happier with how it turned out. I think it's going to be awesome when the car's all together and on the ground. Not only is it going to stand out, but it's going to help us with being able to work on it and have the extra light if we need it. So I'm really excited about that. And yeah, there we go.
Woo!
Woo!